Hey besties, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing so well. We have gathered here on my living room floor to have a chat about something that we don't really go into depth about usually on my channel, right? We talk a lot about cute outfits, we talk a lot about handbags. We do skim over the topic of cute accessories like jewelry, like sunglasses, like a cute Hermès silk scarf. So this is not a jewelry collection, but it is kind of like the jewelry I wear on a daily basis and how I go about elevating my outfits using jewelry. The first thing in my kind of jewelry category is a watch. Now, a watch is not really jewelry in my opinion. It's kind of like a more functional piece of thing that you attach to your outfits. I mean, essentially watches, that's a whole like Pandora's box on its own, right? I mean, you have entire channels dedicated to watches, so I'm not gonna talk at length about watches, but the one watch I wear on a daily basis that I'm obsessed with, it's actually a watch that is my dad's. This is essentially an Omega watch. It has automatic movement. The model is called Dynamic. I think this watch looks so cool. It has like the brushed steel. It has like, you know, the two-toned kind of watch face. It has like an orange pointer. It has the date as well, so I can look at this and say, oh, okay, it's 26th of August. How cool is that? Is it actually 26th of August? Yes, it is. So honestly, this watch is just amazing. I adore it. It's kind of heavy and I kind of like the heaviness. It doesn't really look like a feminine watch, right? Because usually feminine watches are a little bit more dainty. It doesn't stick out as much, like in terms of like eye-catching watch vibes, but this one, it's an oversized watch. Like the steel bracelet as well, I think adds a nice kind of like professional aesthetic. I like that it has like the folding clasp and stuff, and I like, you know, the little sound it makes when it kind of moves around your arm and stuff. So I adore my little automatic watch. And the benefit of an automatic watch, you never have to change the battery. Like when you wear it, it charges itself up. How amazing is that, literally? I adore this watch. I am very thankful that my dad doesn't wear it and that he thinks it's too small for his wrist, so then I can wear it instead. And that's on my left arm, obviously. On my right arm, what I always have is at least one Hermes Clic H bracelet. I have a collection of 6 Hermes Clic H bracelets in different colors. I adore these bracelets, needless to say. I think like one of these, just add it to your look in a color that matches your outfits. It looks so intentional. I think it looks so cute, so chic. I get it. Like, yes, you can buy jewelry that's more like worth the price on the market. Like they're costume jewelry, right? They're not like actual gold or actual silver or actual platinum or whatever. It's like metal, yes, and it's enamel, and I know like enamel is difficult to get right and difficult to get, you know, resistant to scratching and resistant to like if you drop it or whatever, and I think these are great quality for what they are, right? But they're not fine jewelry, and I'm fine with that, you know, no pun intended. All of these are in the PM size. I am not gonna make this a review. I actually have a review on my channel for these. I don't think anyone has seen it, but I have a review for them if you are interested. Honestly, I think they're fun to add like a few different colors. Let me show you some of my favorite combinations. Like if you're wearing a little pink outfit or something and you add this, OMG, so cute. Or like an all blue look and you add these for like a little pink pop, so chic. If you're in like a little kind of Valentine's Day spirit, like this combination, I adore. Like I've worn this combination with like all black outfits and then having this like stand out like as a combination. I think that is so cute. If you want a little sorbet vibe, like this combination, are you kidding me? So cute. Also a combination that I guess is a little bit controversial or not always appreciated is mixing the silver and gold. But I think like mixing silver and gold is so chic. Like I made a video about outdated style rules, and I think if you're not mixing metals in your outfits, you're holding your style back. Not to be dramatic or anything, but I actually think that's true. So at least one Hermes Clic H bracelet every day. I think is conducive to better style. So on my arms, usually a watch, usually an Hermes Clic H bracelet. Like I have some teeny tiny ones that I like to just have with either the Clic H bracelet or with the watch. Usually if I'm in a hurry in the morning, I will not put on these little dangly thingies because like it makes me crazy like trying to get this like on my wrist. OMG, so stressful, so hectic. But I have this is a little like evil eye teeny tiny bracelet. This I have as like a friendship bracelet with one of my friends, and these are I think so cute. I love the little evil eye guy, and I love adding that with the blue Hermes Clic H bracelet. Do you think this is so cute? I do actually think it's so cute. But those are occasional pieces. Those are like when I have enough chill, I will put in the effort to put on the teeny tiny bracelets. If I don't have the chill, it's no problem. We will survive with just the Clic H bracelet and the watch, because those are kind of the big pieces, the chunky pieces that are like eye-catching and kind of like adding additional vibes to the outfit. So I think just having those brings a lot of like oomph to the outfit already, you know? Then we move on to my little fingers. On my fingers, I always wear rings. I adore rings. The one ring I wear every single day is this one. This is a little ruby and diamond ring in white gold. This one I got from my mom, who got it from my grandma. And I think this just adds such a mood to an outfit. And let me just show you like my favorite combo ever with this ring. Look at that. Look at that red Hermes Clic H bracelet or maroon Hermes Clic H bracelet with my ruby ring. That is, I think, so chic. I am obsessed. This is also a ring that my grandma wore. This is a sapphire diamond gold and platinum ring. I am absolutely obsessed with this ring. I think this ring just brings all the vibes to all the outfits, and I adore it. I think it's so chic, so timeless, so cute. Yes, it's a little bit over the top, but it just brings such a vibe to a look, you know? This teeny tiny one I actually got at my name giving ceremony, like when I was like not even a year old, you know? It has a little heart and it has a teeny tiny diamond, because basically the story that I was told is that your first diamond should come from a woman in your family. So it's called like the little one's first diamond or something like this, I think. And I actually have a matching little heart necklace as well with the heart ring. I think these are also so freaking cute. So that's kind of my ring stack and my arm stack, if you will. It's just basically one ring on this hand in whatever material, whatever kind of stone you like. Then two rings here, like a teeny tiny one on my pinky finger and a bigger, more statement-y one on my middle finger. And when I don't wear that one, I wear this one instead. And it gives a similar vibe, right? This one is also one that I got from my mom. It's a silver ring with like a blue kind of stone in the middle. And this one I think is more low-key, more minimal in its aesthetic, which I think is so chic and so cute as well. And like this ring with this blue Hermes Clic H bracelet, I just have to show you. Like just getting a ring with a stone in a matching color with your Hermes Clic H bracelet. Like OMG, are you kidding me? How cute is this? Like these Hermes Clic H bracelets are so fun. They literally give me life. Like look at this combination with the orange Hermes Clic H bracelet and the orange pointer on my Omega watch. It looks like I could drive a Formula 1 race. That's how I feel when I wear this combo. Moving on, so we've talked about my ring stack, my bracelet stack, my watch. Then we move on to my necklaces. Necklaces I adore. I think necklaces necklace can transform your outfit vibes immensely. Today I'm wearing two necklaces. One that's a teeny tiny heart, and this coin is also something that I got from my grandma, right? It's a little Saudi gold coin, and it's on this like chunky chain. I think it's so cute, literally. So like stacking two gold necklaces I think is such a good look, and I think it's so impactful, especially with like one of these coin necklaces, because that kind of catches the light in such a pretty way, especially when the chain is a little bit chunkier as well. That kind of sparkles in the light so nicely. One of my favorite necklaces is my pearl necklace. I think a pearl necklace is so timeless, so chic, so classic, looks so classy, literally. I mean, this has basically a tiered effect on the pearl, so it starts small, and then when you get to the middle of the pearl necklace, you have the kind of biggest pearls. I know, like in the pearl necklace community, this is like a little bit of like a more grandma style of pearls, because like the younger styles, they have the same kind of bigger pearls all throughout it. This one has the cute little kind of closure with the emerald green stone in the middle. I think this is so cute, and I think it's such a like classy classic piece that I will wear forever, literally forever. Kind of considering buying some pearl earrings to go with this. I don't have pearl earrings, but I think it would be so cute. But also pearls, you cannot shower with them. Like even though pearls come from water, you shouldn't wear your pearls in water, you know, if that makes sense. Because pearls, they can get worn out by water or like by shampoo and stuff like this. It's no bueno in water. So with pearl earrings, I would have to take them off on a daily basis, and we'll get to that, but I'm not really like an earring person. Otherwise, a little combo that I like to do, like I said, I have the little one's first diamond on a short chain. This is once again the matching one with my little pinky ring. I like matching this one with my A necklace. So A for Amanda, you know? I think that is such a cute combo, because this is also something that I got from my mom. And like the little A and the little heart, I feel like it's just cute, you know, it's just like a me little combo. And a necklace that I also adore wearing so much, that kind of makes a statement, and I adore that statement. It is my Arabic Amanda necklace. This I got from my sis Aya. We are thriving about this necklace, and the chain sparkles so nicely in lighting. Can you see that? And this is like the necklace that I get the most kind of compliments and comments on, because everyone is like, what does it say? What is that? That is so cool. And look at that chain sparkling in the light, literally. I adore this necklace, and like when I wear something like this necklace, I don't stack it, because this one deserves all the spotlight. Like the smaller ones, the daintier necklaces, I do stack because I think that's cute. But with something like this that makes more of a statement, I don't stack it, because like I said, it deserves all the spotlight on its own. So on a daily basis, watch, Hermès Clic H bracelet, 3 rings, either 1 or 2 necklaces, and then earrings. Like I said already, I'm not really an earring person. I just keep, these are like cubic zirconium little fake diamond studs, right? Because I never take out my earrings. It's just a little sparkle that's kind of casually sparkling. These I've not taken out literally for years, apart from if I want to wear like a statement earring once in a while, which is literally once in a blue moon. So my earrings, they just stay here. Like I said, I've kind of considered buying pearl ones, but those I have to be more careful with. These are like, one is silver and one is gold, and then like I said, a cubic zirconium kind of stud. So they're not real diamonds. I'm kind of craving getting diamond earrings, but I haven't gotten that far in life yet. And then I just have like a little, I guess cartilage, is that what it's called? Little piercing ring here. Is that actually what it's called? I've got no idea. I'm not a piercing person. But I think this one with little, this is also cubic zirconium, but a little gold ring. I think this is also so cute. I used to have another ear piercing up here, but that literally, it never healed. Like I could not get it to heal properly. I gave it like legit 2 years, but it never healed. And like I said, I'm not an earring person, so I was just like, I don't care enough to keep this here. You know? That's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. We try, but we don't always succeed, and that is completely fine. Now, once again, I went all Pinterest on you. I hope you will not sue me for that. Guys, that is how I play around with jewelry to kind of add some additional vibes to my looks. Does that make sense? So, once again, watch Hermes Clic H bracelet, at least one. If we're feeling fancy, we might add some little other, like my little tennis bracelet or something to the stack to make it a little bit more sparkly and fun, or the little teeny tiny bracelets or whatever. 3 rings, necklaces, and then the earrings that don't really show. But I think what adds the most vibes is literally the necklaces and the watch and the Hermes Clic H bracelets. The other things are just kind of sparkly and fun, you know? Do I have to talk about which Hermes Clic H bracelet is my favorite? Maybe. I think my favorite, honestly, is the red one because it goes so nicely with my ruby ring. Like, just look at that combo. Or this combo with literally the sapphire ring and the blue Hermes Clic H bracelet, I also think is so cute. But also, I love this combination. Like, I cannot get over this. So I cannot choose. I am very, very sorry. So tell me in the comments all about how you use jewelry to kind of add additional vibes, additional style, additional kind of mood to your outfit. I would love to know. Thank you so much for spending this time and space with me today. If you did enjoy the video, consider giving it a little thumbs up. That helps out my teeny tiny channel a lot. If you enjoyed having this chat with me, subscribe and join the Siedler family we have going on here. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye. Woo!